It is with immense pride that I announce that Adani Defence is today entering into a landmark partnership with Embraer, one of the world's foremost aircraft manufacturers. Together, we will establish a regional aircraft manufacturing facility in India and a one-of-its-kind aviation ecosystem, a project that will redefine the future of aviation in our country. This partnership is more than just a business agreement. It is a vision taking flight. It represents India's determination to build world-class aviation capabilities on our own soil, aligned with the national mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India has embraced bold reforms and ambitious initiatives that have transformed infrastructure and industry. His call for self-reliance has inspired us to think bigger, act faster, and deliver projects that strengthen India's global standing. This facility is going to be a direct reflection of that vision, turning aspiration into action. We are equally grateful for the guidance and support of the Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Shri Naidu Garu, Secretary of Civil Aviation, Shri Sinha, Defence Secretary, Shri Rajesh Kumar Singh, and the entire team at MOCA, whose tireless efforts have ensured that India's aviation sector remains one of the fastest growing in the world. Their commitment to expanding regional connectivity and modernizing our skies has created the perfect environment for this partnership to flourish. India is the fastest growing aviation market, yet millions in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities remain underserved. Regional aviation is the bridge that will connect these communities to opportunity. With this facility, we will produce aircraft designed for shorter routes, making flying accessible, affordable, and reliable for millions of new passengers. These aircraft will ensure that no part of India is too distant to be reached and no dream too far to be pursued. The Adani Group brings India's entrepreneurial spirit, industrial scale, and commitment to innovation. And Embraer brings decades of experience in regional aviation, proven technology, and a global reputation for excellence. Together, I'm sure we will create a synergy that not only serves India, but positions our countries as a hub for regional aircraft production and export to the world. This initiative will generate thousands of jobs, nurture skills, and create a resilient ecosystem of suppliers and innovators. It will stand as a symbol of India's industrial and technological strength, demonstrating that our nation is capable not only of operating world-class aviation infrastructure, but also of designing and building the aircraft that fly from it. Honorable Minister, ladies and gentlemen, this is a defining moment. It belongs not only to Adani Group and Embraer, but to India. And let me leave you with this thought. With this partnership, regional skies will no longer be distant horizons, but everyday pathways of progress, powered by India's own strength, aligned with Atmanirbhar Bharat, and carrying the nation's ambition to soar higher.